Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily select and deselect objects in AutoCAD. At the moment, as you can see, we have a couple of objects running in here that we can put in squares. For example, we can select them all. This is quite easy. As you can see, we can just from left to right, you will be selecting all of the objects. But if you, for example, want to put only like this one, the small circle in the middle, you can do it as well. That's not a problem. But it won't really take all the other ones. So just the one they are fully in the bluish square. But if you want to go and go from right to the left, so you know the inside of the square that you are creating is green, you are going to involve every single one that it's touching this set green square. How to deselect though? You see that it's deselected, and I can just select more and more and more, and I'm running my web editor. All you have to do, it works in web editor perfectly as well, you just hit escape. And once you hit escape, you will deselect everything. You can also go like this, like select everything and write down cancel, but yeah. That's not working anymore. I know it worked, but it's just hit the escape, guys, and it will be better just like that. So remember, from left to right it's blue, and it will only allow to list all the, for example, circles that are fully inside. So we can select like this all, or if we even go like this, we can select all of them, but it's from right to the left. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.